Welcome to Compare to Win. The best model plane kits is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies you can get into. Building model planes is a fantastic way to engage your mind, enhance your fine motor skills, and create something tangible and beautiful. From classic warbirds to modern jets, the world of model aviation offers something for everyone, regardless of age or experience level. So, grab your tools, clear your workspace, and let's dive into the exciting world of model plane kits. Number 5. Wood Trick Biplane Toy Kit, 3D Wooden Puzzle. This biplane is made from natural birch ply, ensuring it's both safe and recyclable. You don't need any glue to assemble it. It's the safest and most entertaining 3D wooden puzzle for everyone. Building this model airplane will stimulate your child's planning and building skills. It's like being a real engineer. These brain teasers are fun for both kids and adults. The set includes 148 wooden puzzle pieces, but don't worry, the assembly is easy for both kids and adults. You'll have this plane built in no time. This airplane model is a great addition to any collection. It's a welcome gift for anyone who loves puzzles and building things. The wooden plane toy comes with a detailed manual and illustrations to guide you. Follow the instructions, and you'll build this jigsaw puzzle set quickly and correctly. What we like. This kit is made from safe, recyclable materials, making it a great choice for parents. It's designed for easy self-assembly, so you can build it with your kids. If you're looking for a fun and engaging gift, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The model is well detailed and looks great. The kit includes all the necessary parts and clear instructions. The finished model is sturdy and looks fantastic. Number 4. Puzzled Wooden Airplane Model Kits, 4-pack. This wooden airplane kit set features a unique design that you'll absolutely love. Build these 3D puzzles and proudly display your historical wooden models. Share your passion for aeronautics and flight history with others. This aircraft wood model kit set is perfect for anyone who enjoys 3D wood puzzles. Puzzle enthusiasts aged 8 and older will enjoy building, painting, and displaying these models. It's ideal for school projects and puzzle art. The historical plane building kit bundle includes 4 model planes, a water plane, Spirit of St. Louis, Newport 17, and triplane. Each kit comes with its own instruction manual and a sanding paper. You will have everything you need to start building. These model airplane kits are made of high-grade 3mm natural wood. All puzzle pieces are pre-cut and sanded thoroughly for smooth edges. The unfinished wood is perfect for customization, and the models stand on their own once built. Challenge yourself and your loved ones to build these DIY aircraft puzzles. Display your artwork and play with your new model planes. These kits help develop eye-hand coordination, problem-solving skills, and creativity. Customize and paint them for projects or games. What we like. This set lets you build multiple historical airplane models, perfect for aviation enthusiasts. With 4 different models included, it offers a diverse building experience. If you like to learn about aviation history and want a fun project for school, you should consider this. What people say. The model is well designed and the parts fit together nicely. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The finished model looks great and is a good display piece. Number 3. Puzzled F-18 Hornet 3D Wooden Airplane Model. This amazing kit lets you build a detailed F-18 Hornet model. It's a challenging and rewarding experience for both kids and adults. Get ready to assemble this impressive fighter jet. Whether you love 3D puzzles or model airplanes, this kit is for you. It's designed for ages 8 and up, making it a great activity for families. Dive into the world of aviation with this exciting model. Inside, you'll find 47 interlocking puzzle pieces, a detailed instruction manual, and sandpaper. The pieces are laser cut for precision, making the building process enjoyable. It measures 10 by 9 by 3.5 inches when built. The model is made from high-grade 3mm natural wood. The pieces are sanded to ensure smooth edges. The natural wood allows you to paint and personalize it. Once assembled, it's ready to display. This F-18 model is perfect for anyone who loves building models or aviation. It's a great hobby and a fantastic decorative piece. It also makes an excellent gift for enthusiasts and collectors. What we like. This kit lets you build a detailed F-18 Hornet model, a great choice for fighter jet fans. It's designed to be fun and educational, perfect for all ages. If you are looking for a model that you can personalize with paint, this is the one for you. What people say. The model is well designed and the parts fit together nicely. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The finished model looks great and is a good size. Number 2. Drama Planet Dinosaur Air Dry Clay Kit. This amazing kit lets kids create their own dinosaur models. It comes with everything they need to bring these prehistoric giants to life. The kit includes 12 soft, easy-to-shape colors. The clay is perfect for covering the dinosaur skeletons and creating lasting models. It includes simple dinosaur introductions with step-by-step instructions. Kids can easily follow along and create their own masterpieces. The kit features 5 detailed skeletons: Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Tyrannosaurus rex, Stegosaurus, and Dimetrodon. It also includes sculpting tools and googly eyes. This kit is a fun and educational gift for kids. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. This engaging project encourages creativity and fine motor skills. It's perfect for playdates, rainy days, or family time. What we like. This kit includes air-dry clay, allowing you to create your own dinosaur models. It's designed to be fun and educational, perfect for kids. If you have kids who love dinosaurs and enjoy hands-on activities, you should consider this. What people say. The model is well designed and easy to assemble. The kit includes all the necessary parts and clear instructions. The finished model looks great and is a good display piece. Number 1. Viloga Tiger Moth Biplane 3D Wooden Model Kit. This is a highly detailed replica, approximately 1/18 scale. You'll feel like you're building a real airplane as you assemble it, getting familiar with every part. Crafted from high-quality balsa wood, this kit is lightweight yet durable. The wood comes from sustainable sources, ensuring both quality and environmental responsibility. The pieces are laser-cut for a perfect fit, with smooth edges and no burrs. This makes the assembly process easy and enjoyable, with every part pre-cut and ready to go. Enjoy a relaxing and rewarding experience building this model. It enhances patience and focus, and the sense of accomplishment is fantastic, and you can share it with your friends. Once completed, it's a beautiful piece for your home or office. It's sure to attract attention and spark conversations, a great decorative item. What we like. This model offers a high level of detail, replicating a vintage biplane. It's made from high-quality balsa wood, ensuring a premium building experience. If you like a realistic model and enjoy the process of building, you should consider this. What people say. Directions are a little ambiguous, but this is an easy-to-build, sharp-looking model. I'm heavy-handed. I've accidentally broken the wood pieces a few times, but I fixed it the best of my ability. It's the first time I used super glue on one of these planes. It was good but also made me really analyze everything very carefully, which you should be anyways because the instructions won't baby you. Really enjoyed this model. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.